Okay, student, today we'll learn Mathematics Part 1, Standard 10, Problem Set for a 8 problem. Okay, page number 110. We'll do this 8 problem. For that, you have to make one table. Okay. So first we'll calculate output tax for wholesaler. Okay. First wholesaler will solve it, then retailer, then total. So for this, output tax is given in rate, means rate is given 18%. Okay. So rate is given 18%. So it will be 18% of taxable value. Okay. So that is how much for this output is 1,80,000. Okay. Because for selling matlab output tax. Okay. Selling output tax, and for buying or purchasing means input tax. Okay, so that's why we get this. That will calculate here. Okay, then you have to cancel all 0, and what is remaining multiply, you will get 32400 rupees. Input tax, it is also called input tax credit. Okay, that is also 18%. 18% of how much? It is given 1 lakh, means purchase, means brought, means that will be 1,50,000. Okay, 1,50,000. So that is 18 upon 100 into 15000. Cut this and multiply, and you will get one answer. Write that answer. Okay, so that will be 27,000 rupees. Now GST payable is this minus this, so that will become 32400 minus 2700. Subtract, and you will get one answer, 5400 rupees, and this is half. Okay, so that will become 5400 divided by 2. Okay, so cut it, and you will get one answer. Write that 2700 rupees. Okay, now that you have to put it here. That's all. So I put the GST 5400 rupees, 5400 rupees, and both are equal, that is 2,700 rupees. 2,700 rupees. Okay. Now let us calculate for retailer. So for retailer, so output tax is again 18% of how much amount it sold, retailer sold to customer, 2,20,000. 2,20,000. Okay, so that will become 18 upon 100 into 22000. Cut this, and you will get one answer. You write it, that is 39,600 rupees. For input tax, there is no need to calculate करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because output tax of wholesaler is nothing but input tax for retailer. So we already calculated that 32,400 rupees. That we already calculated. So simply we have to subtract this, 39,600 minus that, you have to subtract it. Okay, that will get 7,200 rupees. And you have to divide it by 2. Then you will get one answer, that is 36,000. So that we have to write it here. Okay. So 7200 rupees, 3600 rupees, 3600 rupees. I think we can put one comma here if you want. Okay. I have to add this total. So it will become 12,600. Okay. And you can add this, it will be 6,300 rupees. Same thing will come here, 6,300 rupees. I hope you got this. Next we do ninth problem. Okay, for ninth problem, for Anna Patil in Thane, first part करते हैं. Okay. So first output tax calculate करते हैं. So rate is given. Okay. That is 28% is given. GST rate. Okay. So output tax 28% of taxable value. Okay. That will become 28 upon 100 into taxable value for Anna Patil is given 14,000. Okay. You can cut this. What is remaining, multiply, and you will get one answer. Okay. So now we have this formula. Is equal to output tax divided by 2. Just you have to write the 3920 divided by 2. Cut it and you will get 1960 rupees. Okay. So this is the answer for first. Next we do second. Now for shopkeeper वसा इसका taxable value different दिया है 16,800. So that will become 28 upon 100 into 16,800. Okay, then calculate all this, then you will get 4704 rupees. Now you have to just calculate GST is equal to SGST, that is equal to output tax upon 2, so 4704 upon 2. So that will get one answer 2352 rupees. Okay. Now let us do third part. So here at the time of filing you have to find it. So input tax credit, input tax will be nothing but output tax of supplier. Okay. So that you have to write it there. So this value 3920 rupees. This is the input tax. Okay. And we have already this calculated this output tax here. Okay. Output tax is here. So output tax is equal to 4704 rupees. Now you want to calculate GST. Okay. GST payable. So we have to write this value output tax minus input tax. So that will become 4704 minus 3920. Okay. That to subtract and you will get one answer, that is 784 rupees. So that you have to divide it for this. So that will become 784 divided by 2. That will get 392 rupees. I hope you got this. Next we will do last problem. The 10th problem, first wholesaler का GST, CGST and HGST calculate करते हैं. First output tax calculate करते हैं. Okay. So output tax 12% of taxable value है, and they are given here taxable value 5,000. Okay. It is given 12 upon 100 into 5000. Cut this 0 and you multiply it and you will get 600 rupees. Okay. So you got this. It is nothing but, it is output tax, it is nothing but GST. Okay. So now you want to find this. So you have to divide it. So CGST is equal to SGST is equal to GST divided by 2. So 600 divided by 2, that is 300 rupees. So that we will write it here. 600 rupees, 300 rupees, 300 rupees. Okay. Now let us calculate for distributor. So for distributor will purchase from wholesaler. He has to pay. He has to pay to the wholesaler. Okay. So therefore ITC will be counted. Here ITC is not counted. Okay. Because there is no need to pay, but he has to pay. He has to pay to the wholesaler को pay करना पड़ेगा. तो इसके लिए ITC भी इनकम टैक्स क्रेडिट काउंट करना पड़ेगा. तो फर्स्ट आउटपुट टैक्स, फिर इनपुट टैक्स ले लेते हैं. ओके. सो आउटपुट टैक्स, इसका टैक्सेबल वैल्यू दिया 6000. सो दैट विल बिकम, सॉरी आई थिंक इट इज yes, it is 6000. It will become 12 upon 100 into 6000. Cut this and you will get 12 into 60. That you will get as 600. 720, sorry. Now ITC is nothing but what got output tax of wholesaler, because he has to pay. He has to pay here. So that will become output tax of wholesaler. So that will become 600 rupees. Therefore GST is equal to output tax minus ITC, that is 720 minus 600. So that is 120 rupees. So therefore GST is equal to SGST, that is equal to GST divided by 2, 120 divided by 2. So that is 60 rupees. Okay. So that part you have to write it for distributor. So that will become 120 rupees, 60 rupees and 60 rupees. Okay. Now let us calculate for retailer. Okay. अब रिटेलर वो प्रोडक्ट खरीदेगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से. सो ही हैज़ टू पे सम मनी. ही हैज़ टू पे टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. सो इसका जो आउटपुट टैक्स आएगा, ये था डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का. ओके. सो इसका जो आउटपुट टैक्स, इसके लिए इनपुट टैक्स बन जाएगा. सो दैट यू हैव टू राइट इट 720 रुपीज़. एंड देन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट आउटपुट टैक्स 12 upon 100 into 6500. Okay. Then you will get 780 rupees. You have to just subtract this 780 minus 720. That will become 60 rupees. So you have to just divide it. 60 divided by 2 is 30 rupees. That value you will write it here. It will be 30 rupees. 30 rupees. Okay. I hope you got this. बट ये याद रखना पड़ेगा तुमको कि ITC चेंज हो सकता है. राइट. सो फॉर रिटेलर यहाँ से खरीद रहा है, ही इज परचेजिंग फ्रॉम हिम एंड ही हैज टू पे. तो उसका आउटपुट टैक्स इसके लिए इनपुट टैक्स बन जाएगा. ठीक है. सो दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो फॉर इज आउटपुट, इसके लिए इनपुट टैक्स बनेगा. ठीक है. सो लेट अस कैलकुलेट द टोटल नाउ. ओके. इट विल बिकम 780 रुपीज, 09390 रुपीज. सो हियर आल्सो 390 रुपीज. आई होप यू गॉट दिस. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम सेट 4B करते हैं. ओके. इसका सेकेंड पार्ट भी है. एट द एंड व्हाट अमाउंट इज पेड बाय कंज्यूमर. ओके. तो उसके लिए ITC ऑफ कंज्यूमर यानी वो रिटेलर से खरीदेगा. तो रिटेलर का आउटपुट टैक्स था 780 रुपीज़. हमने कैलकुलेट किया था. तो उसका 780 रुपीज़ आएगा. तो टोटल अमाउंट कितना रहेगा, टैक्सेबल वैल्यू जो है लास्ट रिटेलर का टैक्सेबल वैल्यू था 6500 प्लस ITC 780, so that will become, you add it 7280 rupees. So he will pay this much, amount paid by consumer is this much. Okay, there is also the third part, I will write it. So last we have to find type of invoice, B2B है या B2C, B यानी business, C यानी consumer, wholesaler to distributor business होगा, so it will be business, so business to business, and again distributor to retailer business है, so वो भी B2B आएगा. अब retailer business है, consumer है, so it will become business to consumer. Okay, I hope you got that. Next problem set 4B करते हैं.